Okay guys, well today I'm going to be trying to pick this lock here, which is Squire Stronghold, made in Britain, solid steel hardened. It's a big old 65mm one, this one, SS65. It's in a bit of a state, it's a bit bashed up and it's been well used, but it's still a real nice lock. When I got this lock, it virtually wasn't working, so I stripped it all and give it a good old clean, and now it's fine. Looks a bit tatty, but it works no problem. That's key retaining. Real heavy, solid duty lock, this one. So I'm going to try and SPP this. Although this lock has only got one spool pin in it, it's quite a difficult lock to pick. There's no margin for error in this lock. If you go wrong, you can't really get back out of it. You have to start again. Very light tension needed as well. They are very well made locks, these Strongholds. It's about the only Squire lock that would actually rate as being a good, decent, secure lock. And there we go, that's picked. So that's a 65mm solid steel Squire Stronghold, SPP'd. What I've done, I'm going to attach some sort of before and after pictures of this lock at the end of the video, so you can have a look. So thanks for watching. Keep watching, because I will be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.